Here's some secret Windows folders that allow you to do some pretty interesting stuff. If you open the File Explorer window, and then in the top search bar, type in shell:startup, and hit enter, this is the folder where you put all your apps that you want to automatically start up when your computer boots. Now, say you're in this app, and you go to your startup menu to find an app you want to put in here, but you just can't find it. Again, going to the File Explorer, and then searching for Shell Apps folder, and hitting enter. This will show you a list of all installed apps, and from here you can simply right click and also add. You can open it in the file location. You can run it as admin. You can uninstall it from here, and you can pin it. You can also create a shortcut to your desktop, because for some reason in Windows 11, going here into all your apps, you can't right click and add this to your desktop. For some reason they don't let you do it anymore. You also can't take it and drag it out anymore. It just doesn't do anything. So going into, let's say you want to send a file or folder. Let's take this one here. Right click, go more options, send to, and then you have a list of options here. Let's say the app or whatever destination you want to send it to is not in this list. Well, you can modify that as well. I'm just going to do it right in this window here. You simply type in shell send to and hit enter again. Now if I pretend like I'm sending this here, you can see that these lists both line up. So whatever shortcut you add in here will also be added in that list, and whatever you delete here will also be deleted. So if the destination that you want is not part of that list, you can simply drag and drop it here, and also vice versa. If there's some that you don't need and never use, you can just simply click on them and delete them. And the last one, again in the search bar, type in shell fonts and hit enter. And here you will see all the fonts that you have, and you can double click on it and preview them. And if you right click, you can also print that preview so you have it in paper form. And if you want, you can also even drag and drop them somewhere else so you have a shortcut to that font. And you could also drag and drop, say this was a font here, it's not, but you can drag and drop one in here to add them into that.